Need a tough, compact workhorse for your job site? Check out the 1995 Daihatsu Hijet dump truck. This four-wheel drive mini truck comes with a reliable 660cc engine, manual transmission, and a practical dump bed to handle your toughest loads. Perfect for small businesses, farms, or anyone who needs efficiency and power in a compact size. Plus, it's right-hand drive and fuel efficient, making it a smart choice for work and play. Want to buy this Hijet dump truck or explore more Japanese imports? Visit www.grandautojapan today and drive home your next workhorse.
Leading vehicles exporter from Japan.